What is up mga Repa Peeps? Today in this video, I am going to take you to a quick tour of the motel that we went to when we went to Ski Poley. It's just going to be a quick tour, and then it is also near Ski Poley and then this motel is in Sussex, New Brunswick. And watch the video until the end because this motel actually feels like something else, and then they also serve breakfast, and then see what kind of breakfast that they serve, and it's really exciting. All right, so we are at our motel already. So it's literally a motel, but what I'm seeing here, I guess it looks like the motel has been refurbished, and I think it has been owned by new people. So there are two couples who approached us, and then when we checked in, they were so lovely, they were so nice. So and then I'm pretty sure they are the owners. I'm very sure. So what I'm seeing here right now is it's like they renovated and refurbished the rooms here. So it's not the typical motel that you are seeing like in the movies, and it's just this one is really affordable. It is around $100, $101 or $102 per night. When we booked it, it was only $200 plus for. I'll share the cost with you on this side or later on. And it's the name of the motel is Pinecone Motel, and it's only 17 to 20 minutes from here to Poley Mountain. So this is the nearest accommodation that we found, and I'm pretty sure that there are some hotels also here, but well, this one is the cheapest. So I'll take you around and I'll let you see what we have here. They have a table here, and then they have two chairs, so I just rearranged it. So don't judge me why I rearranged it, because I just want to arrange everything, because we have our snowboard bags here, case snowboard bag, the one at the back, and then mine is here. And then they have a bedside table here, and then a cute bedside light. And then the bed here, it's one bed. Actually, we booked the two beds room. However, we just switched the room with our friend Mao, who's in the other side, because because Mio is with him as well. I don't know why he booked one bed when there are two of them, father and daughter. And then what's next? So this is the bed. It looks like a queen bed, not a double bed. Yeah. What else? So they have another bedside light here, then a picture wall frame, and there's a window here. I hope I won't see anything here. Yeah, so they have, then there's of course the curtain, and they have the heat pump. See, so it's really they modernized this one. Then next is they have the big table here. Well, you could, I don't know if you could eat here if you want, and a chair. Then they have a TV here as well. So I think the size of this is around, I don't know, 42 inches maybe. Then they have a fridge. So obviously there's nothing inside. Well, these are the things that we bought from Costco. Then they have a microwave oven here, and then another table. And if you're gonna look at the flooring actually, it's new. It's wooden tiles. So you could really see that it has been it's been recently renovated. And then I'll show you the washroom. This is the switch. There you go. Right. Okay. Oh, so this is the washroom. It really looks like a outdated washroom, but that's okay. I couldn't complain. It's just $100 per night. They provided towels here, so the feel here actually is not like a motel. It feels like you're in a hotel. So motel price, motel atmosphere outside, but when you get inside, the vibes here inside is like a hotel. And then they also provide tissues, oh, even the tissue roll, I don't know what you call this, holder. It looks so new, and it's really clean, so you yourself feel safe. And then this is their sink, and then the water runs fast. And then this is their toilet bowl. It's clean. Now there's something, I don't know, maybe it's just like, I think it's just sand. And there's another set of towels here they provided. And then, oh, look at the bathtub. It's so clean. And then they also have a handle here. We don't even have a handle at home. and then the curtain. Oh, their curtain looks, what do you call this? A high quality type of shower curtain. So this is the motel that we booked. Very affordable. I could also say it's cheap, but it's worth it. I mean, you don't have to spend a lot when you are going to engage in this kind of hobby, which is snowboarding. Although it will make costly, especially if you go to other places to snowboard, and then you need to take a night and then book a motel, or, well, I wouldn't recommend camping because it's not practical to camp during the season. And yeah, so I guess we'll have to end this video for now because we're kind of tired already. So tomorrow we are going to Ski Poley, and then we are going to show you what Ski Poley is. Good morning! Papa Pip, good morning. Hi. She's shy again. Okay, so the owner of the motel just delivered our breakfast, and this is the first time that I experienced a motel serving a breakfast. Although the breakfast is not that fancy, but at least you have something. And here is the breakfast. This is what they served. So eggs scrambled, and then bread. So I requested a wheat bread. I think this is mine. This is Case. And then they also, oh, there is yogurt, yogo. And then, wow, there is also bread spreads, which is strawberry. And then there is beef or butter. And then coffee. And then bananas. So this is what we got for our affordable accommodation at New Brunswick for our Ski Poley trip.